Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Kawasaki KLR650. This dual sport just arrived with only 87 miles on the odometer. Beautiful condition. It's got a lowering link on the rear, so the seat's a little lower. ABS brakes, fuel injected, liquid cooled. And this is the Traveler edition, so it comes standard with a Kawasaki quick release top case. Come on by and make your KLR 650 dreams come true for just $69.99. It's also got the USB 12-volt power source. This thing is in great shape. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. For any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Price is actually $59.99, not $69.99. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.